With Travsta, creating a professional tour itinerary takes just minutes. Let's walk through the process. Start with the Customer module. Click Add New Customer and enter their details: first name, last name, and country. Email and contact number are optional. Click Save and your customer is ready. Next, head to the Itinerary module and select New Itinerary. Provide the basic tour details. Choose B to C or B to B, select the client, set tour dates, number of people, currency, and language. Select a stunning theme and give your itinerary a title. Now, start adding the tour details day by day: destinations, accommodation, transport, and experiences. Here, we're building a 4-day itinerary in Italy. As you go, tour costing is calculated automatically. Need help with descriptions? TravGenAI can instantly generate them for you. days are complete, upload a cover image and review the overview section. With one click, TravGenAI can generate an attractive overview of the entire tour. Add your inclusions, exclusions, and terms and conditions. Use the preview option to show or hide elements in the itinerary before sharing it with your clients. And that's it. In just minutes, you've built a complete professional itinerary in Travsta, ready for your client to view on desktop or mobile.